When designing plastic products, it's important to be aware of potential defects that can affect their functionality, durability, and aesthetics. Here are 10 common defects in plastic product design and some ways to avoid them. 1. Sink marks. These are depressions or indentations on the surface of the plastic. To avoid sink marks, ensure proper wall thickness and consistent cooling during the molding process. 2. Warpage. Warpage occurs when the plastic product becomes distorted or deformed after molding. To minimize warpage, consider proper gate placement, balanced cooling, and appropriate material selection. 3. Flash. Flash is an excess thin layer of plastic that protrudes from the mold parting line. To prevent flash, ensure proper mold clamping, optimize process parameters, and design precise mold clearances. 4. Weld lines. These are lines or marks on the surface where two flow fronts meet and bond during molding. To reduce weld lines, optimize gate location and part geometry, and use appropriate molding techniques. 5. Short shots. Short shots happen when the plastic part is not completely filled during molding, resulting in incomplete parts. To prevent short shots, consider appropriate gate size and location, optimize melt temperature and injection speed, and ensure proper venting. 6. Sinks and voids. Sinks and voids are internal depressions or air pockets within the plastic part. Proper wall thickness and adequate cooling can help minimize sinks and voids. 7. Parting line mismatch. Parting line mismatch occurs when the two halves of the mold do not align properly, resulting in visible mismatches on the part. Careful mold design and precise alignment can help avoid parting line mismatch. 8. Gate vestige. Gate vestige refers to the residual mark or protrusion left by the gate after it is removed. Consider gate design and location to minimize gate vestige, and use appropriate gate removal techniques. 9. Stress cracking. Stress cracking is the development of cracks due to exposure to certain chemicals or stress. Choose plastic materials that are resistant to the intended environment and minimize stress concentrations in the design. 10. Poor surface finish. Poor surface finish can include scratches, blemishes, or rough texture on the plastic part. Pay attention to mold polishing, use appropriate mold release agents, and ensure proper molding conditions to achieve desired surface finish. Remember, these are general guidelines, and each plastic product design may have specific considerations. Working closely with experienced engineers, designers, and molders can help address these defects and optimize the design for successful plastic part production.